Then here's a fun idea. Decorate gingerbread cutout cookies as place card tags for your next dinner party. I've taken the simple gingerbread cutout cookie recipe and made rectangle shapes, perfect to fit a name or even just a simple initial. I have a little piece that gets adhered with royal icing behind it, so that way it sits in front of everybody's place so they know where to sit. Now it's time to make the royal icing that's perfect for piping on. I have in my bowl 2 cups of sifted icing sugar. Royal icing is probably the most common style of icing for decorating. To this, I'll add 3 tablespoons of cool water and 1.5 tablespoons of meringue powder. You can find meringue powder at the same place you would find cake decorating supplies and colors. And I'll just beat this until it's smooth. I wanted a consistency that I can pipe. Nothing too fluid that'll run. I want it to stay in place. So now, to create a quick little parchment piping bag. So I'll wrap my triangle of parchment around, bring all the points together, and a quick fold in half. It's ready to fill. It doesn't take a lot. You want to be able to hold your piping bag comfortably in your hand. So just a spoonful of the frosting. And just snip off the end. And before I start piping on the cookie, I just do a little test, make sure I've got the style of opening I'm happy with. That's a nice consistency. So I think I'll start with some simple initials. There's a nice letter K. Then you could draw some accents, of course, to frame it. And how about a letter P? Then, once you're confident with single lettering and the sense of space on your little place card tag, you can get more adventurous and write out someone's name. When you're writing in a cursive script, make sure you keep your piping bag smoothly flowing. Again, just like writing with a pen, you want to keep the letters smooth and joined together. It takes about an hour for the royal icing to set, and then really you can handle these as much as you want. They're not fragile at all. The final step is to take your little backing, put some of the royal icing on it, stick it towards the top. It too will dry on. This is the exact same icing you use when you make gingerbread houses. And there you go. So now it can face Lisa at the table.